How to unlock your Facebook account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can unlock your Facebook account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. Open up your Facebook first. Then go to the bottom right corner on your menu. Then tap on your profile on the top. After you're on your profile, you will see your account. If you've locked, you will see you've locked your profile. So what you can do to unlock it is tap on the three dots right here. Then there you'll find the unlock profile option. Tap on unlock profile and unlock it. Confirm that again and the unlock should be done. And there you can see I've just unlocked my Facebook profile. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. That is how you unlock your Facebook account. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe as well. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.